Good morning, everybody from Renting on Cars. So I did a thing. Got myself some weather stripping. Thank you, WeatherTech. So I have one installed, just one. I have to do the other one. Actually, there are three. These are the in-channel ones. Fortunately, my car doesn't come with tape on, so I really wish they did because that one was really hard to do. Let's figure out how to do this. So what I do have are these little baggies. It came with these little jelly tapes and a clip. Yeah, there we go. So there's the clip and there's tape. Now tape is going to go on here on the top of it, and then it's going to sit right in there. Well, in there. So I'll get that done and I'll be right back. So there we are, all taped up. Going to put this just on the outside of the weather stripping. There we go. And I'm going to go grab my WeatherTech little rain guard here. So if anybody who has this type of model of Subaru knows that every time it rains or use your washer fluid and you're driving, everything comes in the window. So I'll be taking off a couple of these stickers. You set this onto this edge here, and then you work on putting that corner into that corner and then filling it up. Let's go. So there is that edge resting. That side is not fully in. What I have to do is bow it out just a bit and try to fit that corner in there. Now it's just a matter of trying to squeeze all these edges, if my camera would focus, underneath here, in between the weather stripping, and my door panel, just right up in here. Squeeze it right in there. This one has no tape, so it should be easy. So as you can see, it's a very, very tight fit. I have this corner in after I put in this corner. Now it's just a matter of trying to squeeze the rest of it in without breaking anything. Just be very careful of your weather stripping. My car's a little bit older. It's trying to give way. Sorry I couldn't film me how I bent it in. Pat is at work, so he can't film for me today. But there it is. Nice and clean. So what I have to do now is put up the window a couple times very, very slowly, make sure it closes. Because I know when I did the driver's side, that was a little bit of an issue. I had to readjust it a couple times. Now my window goes up. Wish me luck. So these ones here are for my back windows. You notice they go from a little bit more narrow to a little bit wider. The wider part does go in the front. These ones do tape in the channel. So I'll have to remove all this tape and then fit it in. Hopefully it's a little bit easier. Don't mind the bird poop. It's gonna get washed today. Yeah. Here we go. So there it is, taped in. So like I said, we're gonna open up our door now. And very, very slowly, just creep it up. Not even close to that right now. And we're just gonna make sure it closes without an issue. Look at that, like a freaking dream. All right, so that one there's actually pretty easy. I just cleaned up the sill, the little IPA, get off all the dirt, took the tape off, and it slid in without an issue. Well, I'm gonna go do the driver's side now. But passenger side looks really good. I like it. Here's to a rain-free car. Happy wrenching, everybody.